Hello, first graders. As you can see, I am here in our classroom because I had some tools I needed to teach this lesson. So I came in today so that I could have those things. Okay, so we are going to be doing some more subtraction, but we're kicking it up a notch. It's going to be a little bit harder today, but if you stick with me and follow my directions, it should be a little easier. Okay, so when we were adding two-digit numbers, like 17 plus 22, I always had you draw that line so that you know your tens and your ones. And we started here. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. So then on Friday, we moved that over to subtraction. And I gave you numbers like 34 minus 21. Draw your line. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. So we are going to do more subtraction, but it's going to be a little harder. So if I have 23 minus 17, I want you to try that one. You can pause the video if you don't have enough time, but I want you to try that one for me for just a minute. All right, I'm going to go on. If you want to go ahead and pause the video, you can. So, here's our problem. We have 3. 3 minus 7. Can we do that? Can we do 3 minus 7? No. So what do you think we're going to have to do? Where do you think we can get more from? Because yes, we can do this problem. So here we have, in our number 23, we have 3 ones, right? And we have 2 tens. Okay, so I don't have enough ones here right now, but what can I do? What I can do is I can go over and take this 10 and move it over here. So now I have enough here because now I have 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 7. And to help us, I'm going to just switch this out for ones that are already broken up. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's just to help us see it, okay? All right, so I took one from here and I moved it here to make this 13. So I'm going to cross this out. I took 1, so 2 minus 1, I have 1 left. So now we know that's a 1, not a 2. Now we know this is 13, not 3. All I did was move one of the 10s over here. Now I have 13 minus 7. So because I have my 1s here, I can go ahead and take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't think I did my counting right. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, sorry. So now how many do I have left? 6. Then over here, I have 1 minus 1, which is 0. Okay, one thing I will tell you is that when you're starting this, I do think it's very helpful to have base 10 blocks, which I realize that you probably don't have at your house. You can find stuff around your house. Be creative. Your 10 could be a marker, a pencil, a spoon, a straw, a stick from outside. Your 1s could be beans or little noodles or little rocks from outside, or if you have any like beads, those could be your 1s. So get creative on that, and come up with your own blocks if you need to. Okay, I do think it's super helpful when we're starting this kind of math. All right, I'm going to do another one. Let's do 35 minus 19. All right, so we're going to start by drawing our line. And I'm going to go ahead and start by putting up my base 10. So we know 35 has 3 10s and 5 1s. So can I do 5 minus 9? If I have 5, can I take 9 away? I cannot. So I need to take one of these 10s and move it here. So to write that, I'm just going to cross off my 3. How many do I have left? 2. Now over here I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to break up this 10 to help us. There's 9 and 10, okay? So now I have 15 minus 9. Can I do that? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do I have left? 6. Over here, I have 2 minus 1, which is 1. So my answer is 16. Okay? I'm going to do one more with base 10 blocks, and then I'm going to do one without base 10 blocks. If you feel like that's adding in some confusion, I will take those away. Okay, let's do one more with base 10 blocks. Let's do 40 minus 21. All right, let's go ahead and make 40 with our base 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 over here, so I don't need to put any 1s there yet, okay? So, can I do this? Can I take, if I have 0, can I take 1 away? No, I cannot. So, I'm going to take 1 from over here, move it here. So, cross that off, and I have 3 left. And now I have 10. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And now I need 10 minus 1, so I'm going to take 1 away. What's 10 minus 1? 9. Over here, 3 minus 2, 1. Okay? All right, let's do one without the base 10 blocks. Okay, so 2 minus 6, do I have enough up here to take away 6? No, I do not. So I need to borrow, or I need to get 1 from over here. So I'm going to cross off my 3 because I'm taking a 10. So I have 2 left. That 10 I moved over here, so it's going to turn this 2 into a 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Some of you might be blown away by this. That's fine. Use your base 10 blocks until you feel comfortable. Like I said one more time, base 10 blocks, even if you don't have actual blocks like this, use markers, pencils, a popsicle stick, a ruler, something you have at your house that makes you know that this is a 10 and this is a 1. Okay? As always, if you need extra help, let me know.